Hi all, I am Aishwarya, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Engineering. So, guess today's topic? Yes. So, topic is tachometer and tachogenerators. So, what is tachometer and tachogenerators? These are the stages of voltage and velocity measurements. So, tachogenerator means the armature of the DC generator is kept in the permanent magnet field. The armature of the tachogenerators is coupled to the machine whose speed is to be measured. When the shaft of the machine revolves, the armature of the tachogenerators revolves in the magnetic field producing EMF, which is proportional to the product of the flux and speed of the measurement. So the tacho generators, now as field of permanent field is fixed, then EMF generated in proportional to the speed directly. So the EMF induced is measured using moving coil voltmeter with uniform scale calibrated in speed directly. The series resistors is used to limit the current under output short circuit condition. The polarity of output voltage indicates the direction of rotation. The commutator collects current from armature conductors and converts internally induced AC EMF into DC EMF, while the brushes are used to collect current from commutator and make it available to external circuitry of the DC tacho generators. So this is the block diagram of tacho generator. So here we have permanent magnet and armature and current limiter, moving coil voltmeters and commutators. So generally the commutators is used to convert AC into DC, and when the EMF, that means when the electromagnetic field is cut, then the EMF induced from the magnet. So tacho generator advantages. The output voltage is small enough to measure it with conventional DC voltmeters. Second one, the polarity of output voltage directly indicates the direction of rotation. So tacho generator disadvantages. So because of variation in contact resistance, considerable error is induced in the output voltage. Hence, periodic maintenance of the commutator and brushes is required. So, second one is non-linearity. So, resolvers. So, resolvers is a stage of velocity measurements. Resolvers are rotary transformers that use an AC signal to provide a precise measurement of angle and position of the shaft or disc. They consist of a rotor and a stator with multiple windings that produce a voltage proportional to the angle of rotation. So, resolvers are commonly used in aerospace and military applications as well as in industry control system that require high accuracy and reliability. So this is the diagram of resolvers. Here we have one primary winding and two secondary windings and one magnet. So resolvers, when discussing resolvers, people often interchange terms such as encoders, rotary position sensors and motion feedback sensors and transducer sensors. On occasion, synchronized are also mentioned when explaining device of this nature. Regardless of the name, people choose to describe resolvers. Their role in the world of automation remains unparalleled. So, reference as an analog sensor that is absolute over a single turn, the resolver was originally developed for military application and has benefited from more than 50 years of continuous use and development. So, recent advances in technology have enabled the integration of resolvers and onboard electronics in one housing as an alternative to other types of encodes. So, referred to as Dura codes, these motion sensing devices are available with the following output types. So, absolute parallel, incremental digital, analog current, analog voltage and device net. So, a resolver is a rotary transformer where the magnitude of the energy through the resolver's winding varies simultaneously as the shaft rotates. So, a resolver control transmitter has one primary winding the reference winding and two secondary winding, then the SIN and COS windings. The reference winding is located in the rotor of this resolver, the SIN and COS winding in the stator. The SIN and COS winding are mechanically displaced 90 degree from each other. In a brushless resolver, energy is supplied to the reference winding through a rotor transformer. So, so a resolver in general in a control transmitter, the reference winding is excited by an AC voltage called a reference voltage, that is VR. The induced voltage in SIN and COS windings are equal to the value of the reference voltage multiplied by the SIN or COS of the angle of the input shaft from a fixed 0 point. So, the resolver will report its new position value when power is restored. So, the tacho generator and tachometer and resolver, these all are used to measure the velocity in a measurement system. Thank you.